ओके, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हमारा लास्ट जो लेक्चर था, मेरा जो लास्ट लेक्चर था, दैट वाज interrupted because it was the time was up. So we were discussing the cellular pharmacology. The unmetabolized 5-fluorouracil is essentially harmless to mammalian host and tumor cells. Upon administration, the drug is subjected to one of two opposing metabolitic fate, which are the inactivation and elimination are accomplished by avid catabolism, which inactivates more than 80% of administered 5-fluorouracil. Basically, जो है जिस पर ड्रग जो है वो ली जाती है, उस पर एनाबॉलिज्म और कैटाबॉलिज्म दोनों साथ साथ चल रहे होते हैं। कैटाबॉलिज्म जब कैटाबॉलिज्म के जरिए जो 80% ऑफ द ड्रग है ना, वो इनएक्टिवेट हो जाती है, ठीक है। एंड यूरिनरी एक्सक्रीशन विच एलिमिनेट्स अबाउट 5 to 20% ऑफ अनमेटाबोलाइज्ड ड्रग। हाउएवर द साइटोटॉक्सिसिटी ऑफ 5-fluorouracil in host and tumor cells only occurs following anabolism to nucleotide in actively proliferating cell. Basically, जो 5-fluorouracil है वो जो एनाबॉलिज्म के जरिए बेसिकली ये काम करता है, यानी कि फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स मॉलिक्यूल्स फ्रॉम सिंगल वंस के साथ जब दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल्स बनते हैं तो वो जो है वो एक्टिवली टेक पार्ट करता है। द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ 5-fluorouracil फॉर एनाबॉलिज्म इज डिटरमिन्ड बाय द एक्सटेंट ऑफ इट्स कैटाबॉलिज्म, यानी कि जो भी 5-fluorouracil जो एनाबोलाइज हो रहा है उसको डिपेंड करता है किसके ऊपर, कि कितना एक्सटेंट ऑफ कैटाबॉलिज्म हो चुका है ड्रग के ऊपर, suggesting that detailed knowledge of the balance between catabolism and anabolism is essential to understand the biological effect of this drug. यानी कि if you want to understand the biological effect of this drug, then you have to know the balance, or you need to balance between the catabolism and anabolism of this drug. Okay. Mechanism of action. 5-fluorouracil binds with thymidylate synthetase enzyme to form a ternary complex system. Formation of thymidylate from uracil is inhibited due to complex formation. In the absence of thymidylate, DNA and RNA synthesis are inhibited. The drugs can also get inserted in the place of UTP in RNA, which results in the inhibition of protein synthesis in the cell. This overall mechanism leads to death of the cell. Now some structural activity relationship. ये जो मेजर इसके पार्ट्स हैं, these are denoted with जहाँ पे आप एप्लीकेशन, जहाँ पे आप चेंजेस ला सकते हैं, ठीक है, वो X और Y से डिनोट हुए हैं। The molar refractivity of the Y substituents will produce increase in the activity of drug. अगर molar refractivity यहाँ इस वाले प्रोडक्ट जो Y जो substituent है इसकी molar refractivity increase कर दी जाए तो एक्टिविटी इंक्रीज हो जाती है। The Y substituents जो कि कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं, COCH3, CO6H5 or COHCH5 will produce a negative effect on the activity of the drug, while if you add the thiol group, that is the SH group, that is thiol group, अगर आप ऐड करें तो at 4th position this will increase the activity of the drug, ठीक है। Substituents which are bulky in nature at Y position will produce negative effect on the activity due to steric hindrance. यहाँ पे यानी Y position पे अगर आप जो है वो कोई bulky nature का कंपाउंड लगा देते हैं तो वो steric hindrance produce करेगा. Electron withdrawing groups at 5th position will increase the activity of the drug. जो 5th position पे अगर आप कोई electron withdrawing group लगाएंगे तो वो activity increase करेगा. Next drug is mercapturine. Mercapturine का mechanism क्या है? Mercapturine competes with the hypoxanthine and guanine, which are purine derivative structures, which are purine derived structures for the PRT enzyme. HGPRT enzyme basically hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase. This enzyme is important for the formation of hypoxanthine and guanine. Mercapturine is then converted into thioinosine monophosphate. ये जो है थायोइनोसिन, पहले एक तो ये इसका हो गया कि ये मरकैप्टोयूरिन जो है वो compete करती है इस एंजाइम के साथ। उसके अलावा मरकैप्टोयूरिन खुद चेंज हो जाती है थायोइनोसिन मोनोफॉस्फेट के अंदर, वो इनहिबिट करता है इनोसिनिक एसिड की फॉर्मेशन को टू ज़िंथालिक एसिड, जो के जो है later important है for the formation of nucleic acid, nucleotides के या ribonucleotides के। Thioinosine monophosphate inhibits conversion of inosinic acid to xanthalic acid and adenylic acid through adenyl succinate. Methylation of thioinosine monophosphate forms 6-methyl thioisonate MITIMP formation होती है इसकी। Glutamine 5-phospho ribosyl pyrophosphate amidotransferase is the enzyme required for purine ribonucleotide synthesis. This enzyme is inhibited by thioinosine monophosphate and MTIMP. ठीक है, इससे जो है ना ये जो कि उसके लिए प्यूरिन राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड सिंथेटेज जो है उसके लिए सिंथेसिस के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, उसी को ये इनहिबिट कर देता है। Since glutamine 5-phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate amidotransferase is rate limiting factor for purine synthesis, this alters the synthesis and functioning of the RNA and DNA. Thus, 6-mercaptopurine interferes with the synthesis of glycoproteins and interconversion of nucleotides. Some structural activity relationship. The activity of the drug increases with increase in the carbon chain up to 15-16 carbons. After that, it again decreases. Substituents at position 6, which can lead to the increase in the resonance at 6th position, will lead to increase the activity of the drug. Introduction of the hydrophobic substituents at 6th position will increase the activity of the drug, while substitution at 2nd position may not change the activity of the drug, or it may decrease the activity of the drug depending upon the type of substituent. Next drug is methotrexate. Methotrexate का mechanism of action क्या है? Basically, it's a folic acid analog, और competitively ये उसके साथ उसको inhibit करती है folic acid की synthesis को. Cell specific होती है for the S phase, inhibits dihydrofolate reductase, depleting intracellular pools of tetrahydrofolate, which is essential for purine thymidylate synthesis, that is DNA synthesis. Methotrexate becomes polyglutamates once inside the cell. Polyglutamate बना देता है. Cytotoxicity is concentrated and time dependent. Methotrexate, a methylated derivative of aminopterin, was the first selective chemotherapeutic targeting 1C metabolism. Since its introduction in 1950, the use of 1950 है सिर्फ खाली, okay, ये 16 जो है वो इसका वो है basically reference number. The use of methotrexate has gradually increased, and now it is used to cure millions of cancer patients annually. Methotrexate treatment as a single agent or as a part of multi-drug chemotherapy system is effective against leukemia, non-Hodgkin lymphomas, particularly with central nervous system involvement, and a number of other cancer types as well. As a chemotherapeutic, methotrexate is used in high doses over a short period of time, and its efficacy depends on the duration of infusion and on intracellular drug concentration. Due to its poor availability to cross the blood-brain barrier, methotrexate is administered at remarkably high doses to obtain therapeutic concentration in tumor tissues and in lymphomas surrounding neural tissues. Of course, such toxic levels of the drugs also impact non-cancer cells. Therefore, methotrexate treatment is followed by folate supplementation to the patient until blood concentration of methotrexate becomes sufficiently low. Additionally, to limit systemic exposure, intraatrial, intrathecal, or intraventricular delivery is used to reach high concentrations of the drug in the central nervous system. In low doses, methotrexate is generally well tolerated, and prolonged low-dose therapy is given to patients suffering from autoimmune disease such as lupus, psoriasis, sarcoidosis, and rheumatoid arthritis. थोड़ा सा मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन इसको रिपीट करेंगे. क्या कंपैटिटिवली इनहिबिट करता है किसको? डाइहाइड्रोफोलेट रिडक्टेज को. बेसिकली इट कंपैटिटिवली इनहिबिट्स द डाइहाइड्रोफोलेट सिंथेसिस. The synthesis of tetrahydrofolate decreases. Due to this, the synthesis of nucleosthymidine also decreases. This all inhibits the synthesis of DNA. Further, the purine synthesis is also inhibited by the methotrexate, as the tetrahydrofolate is important for the synthesis of purine, is also inhibited. Now, the structural activity relationship, replacement of glutamate tail with lipophilic agent can increase the transportation of the drug through folate carrier system. अगर ये जो ग्लूटामिक एसिड वाला पार्ट है, अगर इसको आप जो है वो किसी लिपोफिलिक एजेंट के साथ अगर आप ट्रांसफर कर देंगे तो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ ड्रग जो है वो आसान हो जाएगी. Thiourea entity can increase the activity of the drug. If you add a thiourea, तो वो activity की drug को increase करेगा. Replacement of thiazole with imidazole will increase the activity of drug. और अगर उसी thiazole को अगर आप जो है इसमें जो thiazole है इसके अंदर this NH, तो इसको अगर आप इमिडाजोल के साथ करते हैं तो इंक्रीज करेगा. Tetrahydroquinone derivative will affect the ligand enzyme interaction in a positive manner, where the dibenzodiazepine ring will show the pharmacophoric features which are essential for the activity of the drug. Substitution at second, third, and sixth position in the quinozoline nucleus will inhibit the action of the drug. जो ये वाले जो पेप्टाइडिन रिंग जो है ना, इसके अंदर कह रहे हैं कि अगर आप सब्स्टिट्यूशन करेंगे तो जो है वो इनहिबिशन, ड्रग की एक्शन में इनहिबिशन हो जाएगी. सब्स्टिट्यूशन एट ऑर्थो एंड पैरा पोजीशन इन फिनाइल रिंग विल डिक्रीज द टेंडेंसी ऑफ द ड्रग टू बाइंड विद द रिसेप्टर, thus decreasing the activity of the drug. That is dihydrofolate receptor के साथ. ठीक है. Combining the drug with copper metal can also increase the activity of the drug. ओके, ये थोड़ा सा स्ट्रक्चर एक्टिविटी को रिलेशनशिप को देखते हुए अगर आप ये देखें तो ये जो पहला स्ट्रक्चर है वो टेट्राहाइड्रोफोलेट का है, जो कि फॉर्म होता है और जिसकी बिना पे ये methotrexate जो है वो बनाया गया. ठीक है. इसके स्ट्रक्चर में methotrexate की एंड ये pemetrexate, ये एक न्यू कंपोनेंट है जो कि अभी बनाया जा रहा है. इनके तीनों को आप जहन में रखिए कि कहाँ से ये they are similar and where they have certain type of changes. E moiety is almost similar, while the B moiety has a certain difference, basic difference, while P moiety is somewhat more different. Okay. Pomitrex, ये मैं आपको स्ट्रक्चरल एक्टिविटी रिलेशनशिप के हवाले से ये ड्रग है जो कि मैं आपको समझा रही हूँ कि जरा सी इसके चेंजेस में क्या चेंजेस प्रोड्यूस हो रहे हैं. Pemetrexate is a relatively new drug introduced in early 2000s. From the chemical standpoint, जो pemetrexate है lacks the pteridine ring, क्योंकि इसके अंदर आपने देखा है ring जो है वो pteridine ring नहीं है, जबकि इन दोनों के methotrexate और जो वो है tetrahydrofolate, इसके अंदर जो है आपको pteridine ring मिलता है. ठीक है. Non-small cell lung cancer and pleural mesothelioma are the only approved indication for pemetrexate usage. However, trials are currently underway for testing it against other cancers. Similarly to methotrexate therapy, patients taking methotrexates are usually also supported with folate. Okay, vincristine. Vinblastine and vincristine are dimeric alkaloids. Vincristine जो है वो among the plant alkaloids है, ठीक है ना, और उसमें विनब्लास्टीन भी इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसलिए मैं यहाँ दोनों का जिक्र कर रही हूँ कि विनब्लास्टीन एंड विनक्रिस्टीन आर डायमेरिक एल्कलॉइड्स isolated from the Madagascar periwinkle plant, that is Catharanthus roseus, exhibit significant cytotoxic activity and are used in the anti-tumor therapy as antineoplastic agents. In the course of cell proliferation, they act as inhibitors during the metaphase of the cell cycle, and by binding to the microtubules, inhibit the development of the mitotic spindle. In tumor cells, these agents inhibit the DNA repair and the RNA synthesis mechanism, blocking the DNA-dependent RNA polymerase. This is the structure of vincristine. इसके mechanism of action को थोड़ा सा क्या summarize करेंगे किस तरह. Vincristine can interfere with amino acids, cyclic AMP, nucleic acid biosynthesis, lipid biosynthesis, glutathione metabolism, and calamidulin dependent calcium transport ATPase activity. But the primary activity of this drug is through inhibition of the mitosis at the metaphase stage of the cell by interaction with the tubulin proteins. Okay, this is the structure of vinblastine and vincristine. अगर आप ये देखो, the difference, the whole of the structure is similar. ये indole alkaloid है, तो indole group is present. So इसके the structure is similar. There is only difference of a methyl group which is present in vinblastine and which is replaced by vinblastine and vincristine is that the former has a methyl while the later has a formyl group. उसके पास formyl group है, formaldehyde group है on the indole ring nitrogen of the vindoline skeleton. Structure activity relationship में aryl or heteroaryl compound decreases the activity of the drug. This is a comprehensive relationship. Structural relationship study means there are different studies, they have been conducted different studies, और उसमें जो है क्योंकि vincristine is a very effective drug and vinblastine, so numerous studies have been done और उसको इसके structure को बहुत frequently जो है वो change करके देखा गया. But क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा स्ट्रक्चर है इसका, तो हर स्ट्रक्चर के पार्ट पे चेंज लाके इसकी एक्टिविटी इंक्रीज नहीं हुई है. देयर आर ओनली सर्टेन थिंग्स जो कि मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा लिखा हुआ है और थोड़ा सा आगे एक और स्लाइड इसमें मैं डिस्क्राइब करूंगी. तो एराइल और हेट्रोएराइल कंपाउंड डिक्रीजेस द एक्टिविटी ऑफ द ड्रग. इफ एराइल और या हेट्रोएराइल कंपाउंड इसके साथ लगाए जाएंगे तो डिक्रीज करेगा. Strongly polar or charged groups also decrease the activity of the drug, while decreasing in the polarity of the substituents produces more active analog of the drug. Decreasing the charge on the substituents also increase the activity of the analogs of the drug. The activity of the drug can be restored by introduction of lipophilic linkers such as thioether. Small and uncharged molecule increase the activity and shows better results. Okay, thank you. That's all for today.